Hey guys, it's Matea. Just want to show you what I've been up to lately. This is my vintage typewriter that I got at my antique store, and it's an Underwood number 5. It's really cool because it has like the really vintage looking keys. They're glass topped, and it is functional. I've tried typing on it and the ink is just a little bit dry, so I need to replace that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I just use it as a piece in our living room. And then next to it, I had this altered glass bottle that I've made. And at the top here, I've replaced the cork. I've just wrapped some burlap around here, did a seam binding bow, just wrapped some jewelry chain around it, did some vintage stamps here, some wild orchid crafts, flowers. The big flower in the middle is a flower from a flower swap at Mini Album Scraps. The Tim Holtz film strip I just tucked behind here. Did some more vintage stamps at the bottom, and then here I had just a square of burlap because the paper didn't fit all the way around the bottle. And I've put some old book text in there with this really pretty rose image. And this key here is from Tim Holtz. I really like that. I wanted to hang that from there. So then when you turn the bottle, I just wrapped this pretty Tim Holtz paper. Pretty, I mean, it's really cool. It's vintage. I think this is from the Crowded Attic stash of paper. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's from a Tim Holtz paper pad that I had. It's just some cork vials, bottles. So that's what that looks like. I really like how that turned out. And then I've been working on this for a while, but I haven't been home quite much to work on it. So I finished it today when I had a little extra time. And it's just a canvas purse bag. And this beautiful wide lace that you see here I got from my friend Julie. Thank you, Julie. And it's really like really neat texture, like applique on a wedding dress. So it's like really thick lace. And then up in the corner I've just done some handmade flowers out of lace. And then these are Jolie's centers that I got at Joann's, and I've just hot glued them really well down. They're not going anywhere. And some Saw Crafters trim that I just cut up here, and I put the pearls in the center as well from Saw Crafters. And just some wedding applique that I got from Mercedes. She's MP Crafts on YouTube. Thanks, Mercedes. Oh, and Julie, she's the Paper Bag Lady one on YouTube. So she also has an Etsy shop as well. And here I've just tied a pretty lace bow. And then on the handles, I didn't want to leave just canvas, so I just did some lace sewing around the handles. And this trim up here I also got from Mercedes. It's so pretty on this bag, and I just really like how it turned out. And I don't know if I'll probably keep it. I'm starting a big collection of everything that I've made, and I can switch out every now and then. And this one's really white. However, I don't know if I care for that. It gets dirty really easily, but you know, it's just a canvas bag that I altered and sewed, and I'm not the best at sewing, but you know, you can see the stitching on the inside unless I did a liner, which I could still do. I just have to make it and somehow stitch it within here. But yeah, I really like it, and this is probably like the 3rd or 4th or 5th bag I've made. And for purses anyway, I've made a ton of clutches, and I really like how they turn out. They're just fun to do, and even though I'm not the greatest sewer, it's just fun to create. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you liked it. Leave any comments that you'd like, and if you have any questions, just send me a message, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.